In previous video I explained to you what does mean mean time to repair, mean time between failure, and what does mean reliability, availability and maintainability. And today I would like to show you what to do and how to define the critical equipments. We know that we have ABC classification, but we know other very good and different solution how to define the critical equipment. And when we need to start with something like this, you can see here graph operational availability, and we can see that we have a big problem with availability of equipment, because in the last year it was critical. Every 20 hours we had some problem. So we need to do something with this, and what we can to do is that we can and we need to define the criticality of the equipment, and we have to look at the production, for the safety, for environment, and for reliability. So we can take these three factors like this. So this is reliability. After that we have the production. So this is production, what is very important. And last thing what we said before is safety and environment. Yeah, so here we have safety, environment. And where we have now critical equipment, what do you think? We have difficult equipment right here. So right here. Yes, like here. So I can show you more. This is the most critical, and also here. Yeah. So this is what we want to find and improve the strategy and create better plans, maintenance of plans and task list, etc. Okay, but how to define these equipments or these machines is not so easy. So what we need to do now is calculate for every equipment A, and what is A? A equal availability, and it means A equal mean time between failure divide mean time between failure plus mean time to repair. Next step is FCI, and it means facility condition index. Facility condition index, and this FCI we will calculate all cost divide ARV, and the last is BC, and it is business criticality. And we can here use the ABC classification, and it means that A stoppage production, B reduce speed of production, and with C without impact on production. Okay, so we have these three factors, and now we can calculate where are our equipment or our machines. Yes, so it's very easy now. We can do like we can create some name like equipment factors equal, and we know that we have an availability, so it means A facility condition index FCE multiply business criticality BC, and now we have some line where we have the results of this, and we have here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, and here maybe 90, 28, and we know that this is a green line, what is in good, no critical, and after that we have just some yellow line, what is in the middle range, and the last range is red or orange, and it's the critical. So this is critical equipment here, yeah? After this calculation. And normal result is if we have the result like this, yeah? It means max 8% can be the critical. So for example, we will have 3% of critical equipment, maybe 14% of medium critical, and rest of 83% non-critical equipment. This is normal. So like this, yeah, this is non-critical, very critical. I'm sorry. Non-critical and middle range. Yeah. So if you're starting with something like this in your factory, you can use this solution. And if you need more information or you need help, you can write a comment, and we can help to you to make a good analysis of your equipment and your assets. So thank you for the watching, and see you in next video. And don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you, bye.